driving a new 2019 Volkswagen Jetta for the first time is a typical experience. For one, we're in Arizona, at the company's proving grounds, a 1,600-acre facility surrounded by massive walls designed to keep folks like us out. Inside are two Jetta prototypes, pre-production cars ribbed, swapped and sorely camouflaged with heavy blankets covering most of the dash and center console. And yet, here we are, invited to a place we've never been before, all the relief of our cameras and smartphones, for security purposes. Now, other manufacturers have led us to their super proving grounds on similar adventures, but Volkswagen hasn't in recent memory. It's an unusual move for an automotive fan watching history and might see something before they're supposed to. It's fascinating to take a peek behind the curtain. Yudhi's senior director, the affable James Marcello, is eager to show us all the goodies he can. Having been here for 25 years, he's rightfully proud of the facility, which is used by all brands owned by the Volkswagen Group, even MAN, Scania, and Ducati. During the main testing season, lots of engineers migrate from Germany to the proving grounds, occupying a huge bank of cubicles and competing for time on the various test courses. They include a massive bank high-speed oven, which can sit more than 30 degrees, torture chambers that bombard cars with salt and gravel, and a place where about 125 cars bake in the merciless Arizona sun all year long. There's a room where previously tortured cars are ripped apart, which happens in a room that looks pretty much like a room you might expect to find the pieces of a crashed spacecraft. It seems like a cool place to be an engineer, but a rough place to be a car. The story of the brand Jetta doesn't start in Arizona, however. Back in 2010, drove the Jetta that was born out of the new compact sedan program, Volkswagen's main salvo in an attempt to become a much higher volume player in the US market. It was also an attempt to deconstruct the notion that the Jetta was a compact, and a luxury sedan built to do battle with Volvo and Acura, and priced accordingly. That meant either contented, a nice way to say cheaper, American.